I was sent this Innova 6100P code reader. This is for the onboard diagnostic computer. You're going to be able to read codes using this. You're going to get in the box the unit itself plus the cable. You're just going to connect the cable to the top of the unit like this and tighten it down. And then you're going to take the other end, you're going to plug it into your vehicle. In this case, got a GMC Yukon. I'm going to go right underneath dash here and attach that, and we'll see if we have any codes on this vehicle. Right above the brake pedal here, this is our connection port, and we're just going to plug straight into that. Plugged in and then it illuminates. Turn the vehicle on and then press the link button. And now this is showing me any errors or any issues that are stored in the system. So I've got a lean to rich issue, severity 2. Some additional readings. And all this looks accurate. And there we go. We go back to our one issue that's found here, and that looks as accurate as well. So we've had a check engine light come on this vehicle a few times, and it seems to come and go. So yeah, that's it. This is a very, very handy device to have. It's very cost effective, and then you get the level of detail that the mechanics are going to have. So if you've got any kind of issue that you need to research, this is going to find it for you. You're going to be able to do things as well as like erasing codes to clear out the system, all kinds of different system status and options in the menu here available as well. Really cool device, really great price, and really works. Hey, I hope this video was helpful, and I hope this information was useful to you. And as always, I hope you have a great day.